Hello there. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through the process of creating variation listings on eBay, a fantastic feature that can significantly enhance your selling strategy. If you've been wondering how to efficiently manage listings for items with different variations like styles, sizes, or colors, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to log in to your eBay account using your credentials. If you're new to eBay, don't worry. Creating an account is straightforward. Click on the Create an Account option. You can choose between a personal or business account. To streamline the registration process, eBay offers the convenient option to continue with your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Simply provide your full legal name, email address, and set a password. Hit the Create Account button, and you're ready to explore the world of eBay selling. Now, let's talk about why creating a variation listing is beneficial. When you have similar items that come in different variations, you can group them under a single fixed price listing. This is perfect for items like clothing or accessories that have multiple sizes and colors. Not only does this make it easier for buyers to find what they're looking for, but it also helps you manage your inventory more efficiently. To begin creating your variation listing, navigate to the Selling section on eBay. You might notice a different interface if you are using the eBay Seller Hub, but the steps are similar. We'll start by creating a listing from scratch and then incorporate variations. Choose the item you're selling by typing specific keywords such as the brand, model, or any other relevant details. Click the Search button to get a list of potential matches. If none of the options fit your item, you can continue without a match and enter the details manually. Once you're on the listing page, follow the on-screen instructions to enter the condition and other specifics of your item. Remember, if you have items that differ only by a few characteristics, it's more effective to create a listing with variations rather than separate single-item listings. This approach is convenient for both you and the buyer, potentially boosting your sales. Here's a crucial tip. Avoid listing the same item both as a single item and in a variation listing. It can cause confusion and is against eBay's policies. Now, if you want to add variations to an existing listing, click on the three dots icon in the top right corner and select Settings. This is where you can control which features appear on your listing summary. You can add different variations of the item, such as colors and sizes. But note that eligibility for these features is limited to certain item categories and criteria, like Buy It Now pricing format. If you find that the variation option is grayed out or unavailable, don't worry. It simply means your item may not qualify for variations under eBay's current policies, or you might be in a test environment. As long as your item is active and eligible, you will be able to create variation listings. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope this step-by-step guide on how to create variation listings on eBay was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy selling!